The topic of today's discussion is oscillations, which plays a crucial role for the growth of the humankind. The term oscillation is used to explore the new adventures of science and technology, right from the home appliances to the space applications. In our washing machine, the drum makes uniform circular motion, which is oscillation. Similarly, the Earth's rotational motion is a beautiful example for the oscillation. Oscillation has the biggest role even in the smallest particle, say the nanoparticle. The outline of the talk is as follows. At first, we will discuss the prelude about the oscillation used in our daily life. Say for example, how oscillation is used in a bell to make a sound in Ayyanar and Karpasamy temples in villages. The objects or the items that are used or oscillated will be discussed here. Say for example, the baby cradle. We will discuss some of the technologies used or terminologies used in this lesson, like frequency, amplitude, and crest and trough, etc. Then the topic simple harmonic motion will be explained at length, taking into account the spring mass concept to derive the expressions for the equations of motion of the simple harmonic motion and for the total energy of the oscillators like mechanical accelerator and electrical oscillator. The damping is widely used technical word in sound engineering that will be demonstrated in the following sections. Every lecture will have its own style of assessment methods like quiz, tutorial, assignment, and face-to-face discussion, of course to some extent problem solving sessions. The video lecture on this oscillation lesson consists of 6 parts. Each part will be of 5 to 10 minutes duration. So this is Professor Walter Levin, MIT USA, who will explain the oscillation concept. He himself tied up in a rope and made it to oscillation is a very fast to and fro motion. Now it is time to worship our global God, the Google Endeavor. For anything and everything, we have to depend on something. References really an important part and parcel of our life, whether it is related to academic activities or Appavin Kadis. We used to talk about colleges that this college is best, that college is best. Similarly, Appa used to scold us by comparing our marks with our relatives. Anyways, these are some of the best references which you can make use of it. All of these are available in Google at free of cost. This is Professor Walter Levin. His lecture is really fabulous. ரொம்ப செமையா இருக்கும். He is a MIT professor. I think one of the top ranked physics professors of this century. Paul Hewitt is another interesting professor his book Conceptual Physics is ultimate, of course. Please buy this book and to refer. This is Paul Hewitt actually. And a couple of talented youngsters have posted wonderful lectures on their website, AK Lectures. You can, if time permits, you can visit all those lectures in his website, aklectures.com or YouTube video actually. And the last one, these are some of the books that I'm going to refer for my own lecture classes for you in the first year BA students. And I'll use these books in addition to the YouTube lessons. You can refer, of course, it is everything is transparent, everything is open, that you can refer whatever the books, whatever the YouTube channels you want, you can refer in addition to all this references, books and YouTube channels. Okay, good. And now, okay, let us discuss about some of the terminologies or the important terms used in the oscillation. They are used in discussing the oscillation lessons and simple. The first one is the wave, Of course, as you all know, that is the fundamental term that wave. Wave is basically a physical phenomena characterized by the frequency, time period, and amplitude, and so on, and so on and so forth. Okay, the wave will have the crest. Of course, crest is a high point in the wave, and of course, the wave will have the trough. The trough is the low point. The maximum displacement produced by the vibrating particle is called, the amplitude. The amplitude in Tamil it is called Vichu. And the distance between any two the successive crests or any two successive trough is called the wavelength, which is represented using the letter using the symbol lambda. And of course, the distance between these two or the time taken to complete one full oscillation is called the period T actually. Time taken to complete, what I mean is let us say from 0 degree to the 360 degree, it makes one full oscillation. Again, the second one full wave 0 to 360 degree, you'll get the second wave from 360 degree. Again, you'll get another 360 degree, another 360 degree, and so on. Actually, therefore, the time taken to complete one full oscillation, time taken to complete one full vibration, or the time taken to complete one full rotation is called the time period, which is represented by the letter what is called the T. And then of course the inverse of the time period is the frequency. How can I say that? Say suppose we want to travel, time period is time, and sorry, this frequency is in 1 second. I mean, how many number of oscillation will be completed, or how many number of oscillation will be produced in 1 second is called the frequency. That means the number of oscillations produced in 1 second is called the frequency, which is suppose if the oscillation is produced or vibration is produced in the waveform or a circular motion, it has its own angular frequency also. The angular frequency is omega, and the time period, the relation between the time period and the frequency is T is equal to 1 by nu. That means time period is inversely proportional to the frequency. And of course, here this frequency, the unit of frequency is hertz actually, is basically the physics, German physicist. Okay, great, fine. Now, what are the other causes of oscillation? What is the impact of oscillation? Is that, just look at this example, the traffic jam. This is not traffic jam. Of course, even the traffic jam, all the cars are moving, moving uniformly. And this is the perfect example for the periodic motion, that periodic motion of the body, periodic motion is the motion of the body repeated in equal intervals of time actually. Just look at the picture that the cars are moving in with the equal intervals actually. Periodic motion gives you harmonic wave in which the amplitudes and phases of the two or more waves are same actually. That means two or more waves are moving in the same direction, like the cars which are moving in the same direction actually. And the interval between the two cars is the same, of course, roughly. Therefore, this is called periodic and harmonic. And you take another example that the Vadivel is going to, the actor, the comedy actor, Vadivel is going to the hospital to measure his heart pulse, pulse rate, of course, right? For which the doctors will use, the ECG. Then just look at the ECG chart that, again, the pulse rates, or the ECG chart shows the periodic motion, but the amplitude and the phase difference, or the phases of the waves, are not equal. Therefore, though it produces periodic motion, ECG produces periodic motion, but it is a non-harmonic cause. And another example, you take, say for example, this one, what is called the traffic signal, again, signal, where all of the moving cars are jammed at a particular signal. That means motion of the particle is not uniform here. Our brain activity is an excellent example for the non-periodic wave motion. When you hear a happy news, whenever you hear a happy news, for example, you got selected in the recently conducted IAS examination, your brain wave will be suited to higher level. On the other hand, if your partner is highly unhappy with your performance in the house cleaning and keeping, you will be down, which reflects in your brain wave chart, which shows that you are sad or distressed. Another excellent example for the causes of oscillation is that the one side of the towel. That means the periodic motion is in the kottu or the towel, in which the ends are rigid and it will produce a sound. Yes, rigid. When you pass the sound wave from one side of the towel, after reaching the other end, the sound will come back to the origin. Here, the wave motion is